Hey guys, welcome back to RovitaS, and let's make a nice, big, cheesy and yummy Aalu Tikki burger. Mash 2 boiled big potatoes. You can also grate them if you don't like lumps in your patty. Add half cup boiled veggies of your choice. I'm adding green peas, beans and carrots. Add salt and black pepper as per taste. Add 2 finely chopped green chilies and half teaspoon chili flakes. Adding chili flakes is optional if you want it a little bit more spicy. Add 1 teaspoon corn flour and 3 tablespoon breadcrumbs. Now mix well to form a nicely binded mixture. You can anytime add more breadcrumbs if the mixture is falling apart. Now shape it into thick flat patties. This amount of mixture will make 3 to 4 patty. Deep or shallow fry them in hot oil. Meanwhile, let's cut your burger buns into half. Fry the patty till it becomes crispy and brown from both the sides. Slice up an onion and tomato and tear some lettuce leaves. You can also use cabbage in place of lettuce. Now choose your favorite dressing. You can either use one dressing along with tomato ketchup, or you can mix them up. If you are confused, go with just mayonnaise and tomato ketchup. It works well. Layer up the lower bone with dressing and add some onion and tomato slices. This step is optional. Transfer your patty from hot oil to a hot tawa and top it up with cheese slice. Let it melt slightly so that it grabs the patty. Add some lettuce on the top of your onion and tomato and add the cheese patty on the bun. Spread some tomato ketchup and done. Cover it up with the top bun and grab a big, nice bite. Enjoy this yummy and cheesy burger, and please subscribe to stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Till then, live the life you love and stay happy.